So I am back. This is from yesterday, and I am so happy because what I ordered is here. Wait. Okay. Excuse me. I always sneeze. I am done taking a bath, and I am also done eating my lunch. And I'm going to open this inside. Ma, can you hand me over the scissors, please? Mama? Scissors, please. Please. Scissors, please. Thank you, Madaot. Okay. So, I ordered this from Shopee. I'm not gonna tell first what's inside because it's a surprise. Kitty's here, but I think she doesn't want to go with me, so. Oh my gosh, I already saw it. By the way, our scissors is so small because the scissors is, they really, goodness. They really put it on something so hard. Oh my gosh. I'm so harsh. Sorry. There we go. So first here we have our ring light. Yeah, we have our ring light. Oh, color white. I wanna go look at it. What's really inside? Oh my gosh. Put it here, charge it. Now I can have a good light. How do you open? Let me try putting it on here. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. Like I am now with my ring light. Oh, mini. So that's what it looks like, and the button is right back here. Oh, there is more brighter and brighter. Enough. I like that one. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're done with the ring light. Now let's go with the other one. So, I'm gonna cut it more. I ordered also a big one, so maybe it doesn't go out. Tete, come here, Tete. Look what's in here. Whatever it goes, you always know. You make me smile, face they go wow now. What is this? Oh, this is mom's. Mama, oh, here you, Mama, oh. Because I have a lot of it. So, Mom also ordered this octopus for her. Oh, here's yours. I give this to you. Here, you have it. This is what Mom I ordered, but I have too many, so I gave it to my mom. It's like a little doggy. Cutie. Then
and this one is
what's that?
Wait. USB hub. I really need this because
You need to charge all of this stuff. Oh my gosh, how many is Koalman? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7.
I really
So you
need
can charge it.
Okay.
So she can charge all of her phones, her laptop, her. And then I ordered this for my own. And Mom ordered me the red one. Tite, faster time! Almost over! just a small one, but I really like it. Wow. How do I? Mama, I kinda need your help. Oh, it's kinda soft. But I don't know how to. Oh, okay, okay. So there we go, and I can just put my phone directly. Wait, I'm gonna take off the case. There we go. Wait, guys. My gosh. Stretch it, stretch it. You're just gonna break my phone. Don't do that. Stop it. Listen to me. Go in there. It doesn't work. Mama! I need your help! Wait, guys. Actually, kinda sure. It's kinda annoying. Mama! Need your help here. Please. Mama! Come here, stop! You know how to do this? It doesn't put my phone in.
Huh?
It doesn't put my phone in. It's kinda
Oh,
strange.
meron din.
I think so. I don't know. I wish not to. Be careful, okay, at my end.
Where's the ring light? Ay naman, anong classmate? Tapila kay naka.
Wala. Ano?
Ang classmate kita 152 ya hadwa ka buhok.
No.
You can put also that here. Number ikugitan ni octopus. Ikuan ka straight. Nya anak din diri ah. Anak ba anak. Ay nanyo. Oh, diba? Facebook po nga. Pangit sa imong background dye.
There we go. Hi. So,
Nice ang yung ring light, no?
sorry for the
Manigab sa
background.
TikTok.
It's really crazy.
Palit ko, anak. Palitan ta ka na, te.
And next we're going to open now the big one. This is what I really want for making TikToks. Because me and Titi always find like flashlight or anything that's really strong to put our phone in and then go blah blah
You have
blah.
the ring light.
But now you have the ring light for a nice lighting, and we just need a nice background. And that's all, we're all complete because I can just put this thing out here. So let's go open it! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
It's big.
Oh Jesus. I thought it was not that big. But
Oh my. It's bigger than me. Go,
Okay, wait.
expand it. Like that. Go.
Wait,
More.
wait, I'm gonna break it. Oh no.
You're
Oh,
not-
there. Okay. Allow it. Don't tell me only. Don't tell me only. Okay, what's
This
this?
thing is for the leveler. We must put that at the middle. Like that. Go. Lock it.
How to lock it?
You must straight that. It's leveler. Like that. If you take a video, you must do it like that.
Wait, guys, this is really a focus one. Sorry.
Ring light is also used for selfies. Here. Focus. 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 Focus it. Focus.
No.
My classmates have two of that.
Wait, guys.
You must put the phone first.
How am I
And
gonna
then
put the
tilt.
phone?
Then read this.
Wait, guys. Take you off down here. It's really hard to take it you off.